right, so today we are going to be taking a look at another pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Meme by Snot and Flo Milli. And this song blew up on TikTok, but it's so good, man. Like, Snot's part is literally so fire. Go listen to it. It's fucking amazing. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. All right, so today we are going to be taking a look at the pair of Shatter backboards, and obviously these are the 3.0s, and you can see it has that gloss finishing all over. And just so you guys do know, I have worn these a couple times, and I don't have the box because I threw it away. But the reason I am doing a review on these is because I'm actually selling these later this week, so I thought may as well just do a review. And if you guys are planning on picking these up, you guys will see how they do age. Even though I didn't wear them too much, I only wore them, I believe, 5 times. So they're not really too beat, but you can see some creasing on it. And you know, if I was gonna buy an expensive shoe, I would want to see how they look after a couple wears, so may as well do a video on it. And they do come with extra laces, you can see here. They come with black and orange laces. Personally, I like the black laces a lot more. Right now these do go for around $300, I believe. I got these for retail on the sneakers app a long time ago, over a year ago. And yeah, they do go for a lot now, so that's cool. In case you guys are wondering, this is a size 9. I go true to size in all Jordan 1s. I just think it fits perfect for me. And here, let's show you guys the shoe by itself. So yeah, I really like this colorway. Obviously Shatter backboard is probably one of the better non-OG colorways, so I had to pick this up. And obviously you can take off this like glossy finish. I'll put a picture up on the screen. There is a couple people that do it. I just never did it because I thought I was gonna be a fuck up and mess it all up, so that's why. Creasing, you're not really gonna be able to see it too much here. It's more like to the side where you could kind of see it. See it there, but creasing really shouldn't be too bad on these. Overall, I think these do age pretty decent. The only like downside of these I can say is the outsole. You can see it is kind of dirty, and I only wore them 5 times, and I actually did clean these because, you know, I'm selling them, so had to clean them. But it is a little dirty still, and I just can't get that out. So if you wear these like 20 times or something, the bottoms are gonna be absolutely beat. Obviously though, it is just the bottom. The sides, it does get a little bit of scuff marks, as you can see. But that's pretty much every single Jordan 1. So overall, I do think this is a really good Jordan 1. I think you should go out and pick it up before prices do get a little bit higher. Overall, I can see this shoe going for around $450 at the absolute max. I don't really think they're going to go up too much after that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.